like pray for
Bonjour, aloha, kiara mabuhay. Hello Tasters, hello world. If you're new to my channel, my name is Franz Gabriel and today I am joined with my friend Aliyah, not my cousin Aliyah.
Hi, I'm Aliyah.
And today we will be doing the Samyang Spicy Noodle Challenge. We have the cheese noodles today. I am so excited and so scared. Anyways, welcome to my channel, welcome to Luscious Taste, homemade by Franz.
We've known each other for such a long time and we haven't seen each other for 4 years since I went to the Philippines.
Really?
Our sem break just finished and I just turned 12. Yeah.
Happy birthday! That was like last week, right?
Yeah, it was like last week and you're like, happy birthday!
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, when was your birthday?
It was October 31st.
Wow.
A few moments later.
I'm just gonna watch you suffer because I'm not putting that in my mouth again. I wish I could, but like, why? Enjoy. I don't want to sweat.
Okay, it's getting better. Oh wait, no. My nose is running. The heat helps with my blocked nose.
I only probably shoved only like a little bit of my mouth. 6 times is worse.
Probably. Just the cheese.
It's just cheese, no times. Comment down below to pray for me.
Pray for me! You're not barely eating it!
But I ate it and I almost lost my tongue.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm reading too much, I think I'm gonna pass out. Okay, you're almost done and yep, she finished. She wants to say goodbye. Okay, I guess you're allowed to drink your milk now. You want this?
I'm a trooper! I won! Oh.
This. You guys want some? It's delicious.
Oh, there's a bit of noodles left.
Neither am I gonna eat this.
Milk.
You know, maybe every day I should be eating a spicy so that I could not feel any of the spice. Your mom tried it and it was so spicy she had to spit it out.
I know. Milk. Okay, I won! Yes! That was torture. That was probably the quickest video ever done in this channel.
Yep. Because I barely ate. Well, I mean, I ate some, but it wasn't, I know I was gonna suffer, but I didn't think it would be this spicy.
Really?
You're a coward.
I know. This ice cream helps.
I need yogurt. It's so hot. It's so spicy. Probably if we did with broth, it would be a bit better.
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh yeah. What's the name of your channel?
Yeah.
Or
The
Sophie,
name is
right?
Sophie.
It's like a gotcha channel.
It is a gacha channel, so probably the link will be in the description. So,
We have 2 channels, one that you don't barely upload.
the cringy channel.
The cringy channel, I love that name. You should name it that.
So, just one thing.
Think about it. You are the one who suggested the challenge.
I suggested the
Wait.
challenge because her mom was asking me what video we should make, and it was spicy noodle challenge because I wanted to try what Samyang tasted like, but I thought it would be less spicy, but no, it's just worse.
I won.
Enjoy it.
Oh yeah, it's having dairy. Dairy makes my tummy go wild.
Yeah, good job.
The flavor of these noodles was actually good. Oh god, I'm burping. It was just really, really spicy, which made it a bit less enjoyable. That's the problem with these things, is that they're actually good, but like they're so spicy.
They look good, but I've always wanted to try it, but I didn't think it would be this spicy.
Oh god. One time I tried to eat it, but it was just so spicy before when it just touched my lips, I couldn't. But I feel like my spicy tolerance has definitely come up. After this, I feel like my spicy tolerance is now a 10. She like added a bit of yogurt here to maybe help with the spice.
Should I try eating it with yogurt?
Yeah. I mean, like,
this looks horrible, but
It does actually look kind of like diarrhea in a chopstick.
No spice. No spice.
There's no spice? Are you sure your mouth isn't just numb? How did you feel about this challenge?
I just feel so embarrassed for like eating only like one blob of noodle, like just this. Like
I kind of also maybe looked a bit stupid from like shoving it inside my mouth.
I found this YouTuber on YouTube. He is a mukbanger, but every time he mukbanger, whatever, mukbanger. Okay, so when he eats, when he eats
I feel like I know the guy you're talking about. Zach?
No, it's Nick Avocado.
Oh.
Zach's friend. Eyes would explode.
There's this one YouTuber I saw. His name is Zach. I feel like every single video of his is just like spicy noodles, spicy noodles.
I know. They always just have chill food. It's like true.
Like those people like make it seem so easy.
Yeah, but like when you taste it, you can't even. Asians are very good with spicy food, but like,
We're Asian.
We're Asian, but I'm trash at this. I'm a coward. Comment down below, #coward fam.
Aliyah, out of 10, how terrible do you think this challenge was? I'd say it's like a 3.5 out of 10. Thank you, tasters, for watching this video, and thank you, Aliyah, for joining me today.
You're welcome. If you want us to make more videos, just comment down below.
Yeah, we'll do whatever suggestions you want. Just not this one again. Okay, tasters, that's it for today's video. Please follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page at Homemade by Friends. And if you aren't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos every week. And you can also hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And you can also follow Aliyah at her Instagram at
Aliyah Musni.
Aliyah Musni.
Yeah.
And she also has a YouTube channel which will be linked down below in the description. Don't forget, be positive, share love. Thank you for watching Luscious Taste, Homemade by Friends.
Adios.
Adios, amigo.
Adios, amiga.
Ava.
Mercy.
Merci for watching this video, Ava.
Wow. Cool. Cool.